Police appeal for public's assistance in nabbing cop killer of Corporal Camille, Maine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Deputy Commissioner of Police with responsibility for the crime and security portfolio, Richard Stewart, is appealing to members of the public to assist the police in their investigation into the shooting death of Corporal Camille, Maine at his home in Old Harbour, St. Catherine this morning. The Deputy Commissioner said while the investigation is still at an early stage, it is understood that the corporal was shot while he was exiting his vehicle. His attacker or attackers also took his firearm during the process.
Richard Stewart, Deputy Commissioner of Police with responsibility for the crime and security portfolio. I am here on the scene of the murder of Corporal Maine, who used to serve at the Kingston Western Police Division and has served for over 20 years. This is a stark reminder of the realities that the police have to face on a day-to-day basis. The facts in brief are that about 5:30 a.m. his body was found. The facts that we have indicate that he came from his vehicle and was pounced upon and shot. The investigation is very young, and we are working on a theory we are still working on a theory. Nonetheless, we're appealing to members of the public to assist in helping us to bring this investigation to a speedy conclusion. To other colleagues, I just want to point out that and give the assurance that we will not spare any resources that is needed to bring this matter to a quick conclusion. I'm indicating that the investigation is very young. We are pulling the evidence and piecing them together. At this time, we are not in a position to say exactly what occurred. I will encourage our officers to be vigilant and again assure that they have our support once they take lawful action to defend themselves and their families.
Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.